Hi, I'm Paula Doyle, and today I'm going to be showing you how we make the tulip tree bag. That's the one right over here. To start off, you need 3 fabrics. You need 1 fabric for the body of the bag, and as you can see on this bag I've used this lovely stripy print. You do want to try to keep these seam allowances open if you can. So if you want to take the time and actually pin those open, that's probably better. And you do want to have your walking foot on your machine and a nice sturdy needle. There we go. And a little bit of Velcro to finish it off.